Morocco had a problem. Spain was still holding on to a big piece of its land, so what did they do? They took it back. 350,000 Moroccans marched into the desert in 1975. No weapons, no war, just flags, prayers, and unity. The world watched as Morocco peacefully reclaimed its Sahara. Diplomacy 100. Enter Algeria, the drama queen Algeria, watching from the sidelines said, "Wait, what? Morocco got its land back? That's illegal." Even though it had nothing to do with them, Algeria freaked out. And what did they do? Something pure evil. 1 month later, they expelled 350,000 Moroccans from Algeria. Families who had lived there for generations, ripped from their homes, their businesses, and money stolen, all thrown into the desert, right before aid. They even had the audacity to call it the Black March, like it was some kind of achievement. Imagine celebrating cruelty. And to this day, they pretend they're the victims and care about human rights. Oh, please. You're the ones who kicked innocent families into the desert. The Green March was about unity. The Black March? Pure pettiness. And it shows Algeria's true goal, trying to break Morocco, but failing every time. Nice try, but Morocco always wins.